Green Tractor by Kersten Hamilton. Illustrated by Valeria Petroni. Friends are coming out to play and see our farm on harvest day. We have some great big jobs to do. Start up, Green Tractor, we need you. Big tires built for traction. Roll, Green Tractor, into action. Veer, head for left. Go, Green Tractor, go. Build a mountain with a slide house of A with goats inside. Can we make a perfect place for kids to have a pumpkin race? Cling, clang, sprung. Louder, buckets on. Go, Green Tractor, grow, go. Make it wider, dig and sheave. Move big pumpkins, scoop and scrap. Here they come. Hooray, hooray. Just one more great big job today. Beep, beep. Steady, steady. Clank, click. Hitch and ready. Go, Green Tractor, go. Happy, hair right, snug and warm. The strongest helper on a farm is Green Tractor. The end. Big tires built for traction. Roll Green Tractor into action.